Wow, great. Now, so that was basically the song You Are Here by Dr. Tumi. The song has 3 chords. They start all over again. Those are all the chords of the song. The song goes all over again, doing the same thing. So sorry. Or you can play it the simplest way for you if you want simple things like you are here and you said you'll never leave. We need you, Lord. We need you, Lord. You are here and you said you'll never leave. We need you, Lord. We need you, Lord. So basically that's the whole song. So in the number system, it's 1, 5, 4, 1. This is 1. This is in the key of C. This is the key of C. This is 1, 5, 4, 1. So this is also the key. The chord C. But it's the inversion. This is the inversion chord. Okay, that's the inversion. So root chord, inversion, inversion. Those are both C. All 3 kinds of ways to play the C chord. Okay, that's it. I think that's it. Or that part. We is the same. We need you, Lord. We need you, Lord. We can make it simpler.